All right, so I'm out here first light. I think it's a little after 7 this morning, and gonna get that pile hopefully cleared out today. I got a guy coming, so he's gonna give me a hand move some of that stuff, and I got some stuff in front as well. Really icy, a lot of meltage out this way, melting and freezing, so very slippery conditions here. So, and I think it's about 22 degrees right now, so I'm assuming it'll go above freezing today. Alright, so we got it loaded up here. We were going to throw some more on there, but we checked it and we're at maximum for the actual dumping of the trailer. Didn't want to lift what we had on there, so we're not going to chance it and put any more on there. So extremely icy out here. Really got to be careful of where you're stepping and watching your footing. Ooh, that's I'm gonna say it's mostly oak. I don't know that there may have been 2 pieces of pine in there. Everything else was oak. Maybe some popple too. But like those bigger pieces on top there, that was all the stuff on that pile I'm trying to get rid of here. It's just too big for me to handle or to split. He's spinning the front and the back. Yeah. Yep, see ya. Yeah, and this road out here is all ice too. So I'll show you what we did with the pile, of how much we got taken off here. Alright, so there's the pile. Obviously, we got some of it out there. Still a decent amount. The thing is, when I made the pile, I put all the big stuff at the bottom and now it's froze, so we're having some issues getting these pieces broke free here. Like I said, we ran out of capacity, I think, on his trailer. That was probably already more than what we should have had on there. So we're getting it. This pile should be cleared out if he comes out here one more time. We took some too. I think I took 2 scoops off of the odds and ends pile there as well. So that's good. And then, oh, there was some stuff I cut up in the back before he got here. We just brought that stuff up and kind of, you can see that's all stacked on top there. But we walked through, kind of looking to see what else needs to come down or what is down already. So yeah, this could be a full-time job in itself, that's for sure. So, alright, well, other than that, I got nothing else, so I'm gonna head for home here.